One thing you definitely want to remember when replacing these Anki vector screens is to use flux. Flux is your friend here. It would help make the solder melt faster. So I always add a good healthy portion there. The soldering iron's already up to temperature. I am removing the screen. I'm going to be a bit more gentle than I was on the last one because I kind of maybe messed things up. I'm not sure yet. So I basically just start at one end, add a bunch of flux and a bunch of solder, and try to peel it up. As you can see, as it starts to warm up, it gets easier and easier. And I'm obviously going to come back through and clean everything up here. I'm hoping I'm being gentle enough. Trying not to damage any of the traces here. And it is very fragile. There it goes. Alright, so you can see left a whole bunch of the ribbon cable on there. It's alright. So now what I have to do is come through and clean all of this up.